Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through making a simple game in code.org using GameLab, perfect for beginners who want to start learning coding and do something fun with their free time. So first, you need to open your browser and simply open code.org website on your laptop or your desktop. After you have opened your website, you can simply log in into your account. As you can see, I have already logged in into my account. Then you can simply click new project and go into the GameLab option over here. Now first, create a player spirit and add something for the player to collect, like a coin. You can add these by using the JavaScript available in here. Now inside the draw function, set the background and move the player with arrow keys. To do that also, you can simply use JavaScript and function draw and bracket. That is the code you need to use. It is all available on project, or it is all available in the code.org website. Add game logic like scoring when people touches the coin or player touches the coin. Display the score at the top of the screen somewhere around here. You can simply do that with animation, and you can add it over here and see how your game runs as well. And that's it. You have just made a simple game in code.org. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe for new content as well, and make sure you leave a comment below saying what you liked about this video or the next topic I should cover. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.